Hey guys, how are you all? In this video, I'm going to show you that how can you change or how can you edit your username or how can you enter your new username on your Snapchat. So this setting is quite easy and simple to follow. Watch the video till the end. So firstly, let's check that you have updated your Snapchat application or not. If you have not, so just go on the Google Play Store, update it from there, and if you're using an iPhone, so go on the App Store and update your Snapchat application. After updating, you will see the lot of new features in your Snapchat and you can also avail those features in your Snapchat application. So how can we change the username? Click on your Snapchat here. Let it be open. This is my chat screen. You can see there's all my chats. What I have to do, I will click on the left top of screen called my icon here, and you can see there is my name and my username are listed. What I have to do, I will click on my name option here. You can see I can edit my name from here, but what if I want to edit my username? So click on the right top of corner called setting, click on the second option called username, and you can change your username from here. It can only be changed once a year, so keep it on your notes. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching it. Please subscribe the channel if you liked, and we will meet again with the next and the best video with all of you. Thank you so much for watching this video.